Abstract classes are not supposed to get instantiated. So do we really need a constructor within abstract class? Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 9 of Java and Web Inheritance. In this video we will learn about abstract class with constructor. We cannot create an object of an abstract class, but abstract class can have constructors. So what are the conditions in which abstract class need a constructor? Because we cannot instantiate abstract class. When we create an object of a class which extends an abstract class constructor gets called. We know that to create an object of the derived class, the base class first need to be instantiated. That's how if a derived class gets inherited from the abstract class, in this case the abstract class also need to be instantiated, and that need a constructor in the abstract class. In this example we have abstract class whose name is abstract1, and we are providing a default constructor to abstract class which prints the string abstract1. We also have an unimplemented abstract method in the abstract class abstract1 whose name is abcd. Then we have a derived class whose name is derived, which is getting inherited from the abstract class whose name is abstract1. The derived class has the default constructor derived, which is printing the string derived. Then the derived class is implementing the method abcd of the abstract class and printing the string abcd. Finally, in the class triangle, we have the method main. Inside the method main, we are creating an object of type derived. When we create an object of type derived, then it requires to create an object of type abstract1. And in this case, we need the constructor of the class abstract1. That's how after compiling all these three Java files, when we execute the bytecode of the class triangle, it will first print the string abstract1, then it will print the string derived. Let me try this code practically. On the desktop, I have three Java files. Now compile all these three Java files together. Java C strict.java. It compiles fine and you can see the three class files has been created on the desktop. Now execute the bytecode of the class triangle, Java triangle. Press enter. It runs fine in printing the string abstract1. Then after it's printing the string derived. That's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.